Hey people, well, I thought after I showed off that big Penncrest I just recently got, thought it'd be only fair that we pay a revisit to the baby Penncrest that I've had for quite some time. I don't remember when I got this, but I know I bought this off eBay a while back. But here it is again. This is the Penncrest, which is made by Lakewood for JCPenney. Model is 9721A. I don't know what the A stands for. Yeah, the big one's a 9713A. Well, here's this one again. There's one side. I guess I have to do it this way. Here's the one side of it. It's hard for me to position the stand sideways on this counter. As you can see, it's the same greenish gold as the big Penncrest. And there's the other side. You know, it's got that tilting stand or swivel stand or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's hard to position sideways on this counter, as I just said. There's the back. And like a lot of my small Lakewood box fans, since before 1974, it's got the little GE motor in it. Now look at the top. And it's, of course, the 2-speed since 12-inch. Here it just says speed control. And I tighten the things. So the tilt when I run it. And now here it is run again. Here's high. Here's low. Seems to not be very much difference between the two speeds. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. Here's a shot of the Penncrest level. As you can see, it just says Penncrest, not Penncrest 100, 200, etc., anything like that. This is just a little 12-inch box fan. There's the model sticker, all number 9721A. And there, yeah, this is the revisit of the little Penncrest box fan. Thank you for watching.